What's up? Lighting is a bit different, you may notice. Okay. Just ate like a bunch of sushi. And also ate some Smarties. I got my Fanas. Oh yeah. What's up, Black Horizon? How's it going? Yellow. Yeah, so yellow. It's just definitely different. I thought like the light may have been like just too orange. I don't know. I kind of wanted something a bit brighter. Okay. Your color is like air. Like the air quality. Oh yeah, Fanta inbound. Alright, so I got freaking a little bit going on right now because I got this. Oh, what the heck? I'm trying to set up this Windows virtual machine. Let's see if this works. Because I want to test out the program on Windows. But I don't have Windows, so... Damn, it says Ethernet not connected. I literally... Let me see. Connected on bridge. Why is it doing this? Why is it saying that? It should totally be connected, but whatever. It kind of sucks. I literally can't do anything about it. Wow, okay. So, maybe I'm just too dumb. Who knows? What do I think about these? Are you using VirtualBox? No. I'm using VMware Workstation. I was trying to use VirtualBox, but it's not like easily accessible for me on Arch, so I can't remember what the deal was when I tried to get it. I needed it last semester for a class, and so I had to get the VMware thing. Man, I kind of want to try like Windows XP ISO image. Does this exist? Archive? Let's try this. Windows XP x86. Okay. Let's try it. See if we can get Windows XP up. La, na, na, na. Arch Linux VirtualBox. There was something wrong with it. Let's see. Oh, it seems like it's actually pretty easy. Oh, maybe I should just get that, but I currently have VMware Workstation like up. I'm trying to get a Windows XP thing. I think that'd be funny. Oh, it's already there. Da 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 da. Let's use a new ISL. Let's do Windows XP Professional. Split. There we go. It's fine. I can hardly read this thing. Oh, Control Alt. Okay. Just gonna stretch this out. You guys should see it. This is bigger than it is on my computer. It's like small. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Okay. Oh, I agree. Sure. F8. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's do a partition space. Yep. Huh. Format the partition using NTFS file system quick. Yeah. Whatever. We'll do the quick one. Wait, why can't you see it? There we go. Claywar, what's up? Mine works perfectly. QEMU couldn't load when I tried it. What is QEMU? You need the VirtualBox guest editions for Windows resize and proper scaling. Probably. Clarissist is happening here. Well, a bit of curiosity is happening here because I was trying to just load up a Windows 11 ISO image and get like a Windows 11 VM on here so I could fool around with it and try to get the program to run on Windows 11. I think it'd be cool. But I was having troubles on startup with internet connection. But what's weird is like I have beforehand I went into the VMware state or settings and set it to be able to use my Ethernet port. So as far as I understand, it should just be using my Ethernet port as the Ethernet for the VMs. But it was telling me that the Ethernet was not connected. Well, actually, in classic Windows fashion, I couldn't continue setting the computer up without an internet connection. So that was the first thing. But yeah, it was saying Ethernet was not plugged in, and I needed like a driver for Wi-Fi. So it was just cooked from the very beginning. So that happened, and now I was like, why? Oh, this just like stopped. Now I was just wanting to run Windows XP, but it's like not even showing. I guess I could do it's very, very... Hold on. Oh, there it is, there it is. It's like being weird every once in a while. Try the easiest Windows yet. Okay. Oh yeah, I ate so much sushi. I came home, ate my roll of Smarties. I got 2 Fantas in here. And some 2 half bottles of water, so this is a similar situation that I've been in the past. I feel like the internet thing just won't work on here too, but whatever. Never use anywhere, just use VirtualBox, so I don't know what to set up. QEMU. What is this? What is QEMU? I mean, I just don't know what that is. Okay, regional, whatever. What? Okay. Huh. Product key, dude. I hate Windows, I'm sorry. Like, dude, what's the product here? You know what? Maybe I'm not even gonna make this for Windows. I just don't care. What is that? I could download a freaking JPEG? Oh, it's just... Is there a... Wait, you can use Windows 11 without internet and skip the account stuff. What? I was trying. Well, I really didn't try to do much of anything. I was just following the normal setup, and it was... But now I'm stuck here for this Windows key. But the thing is, I do need internet, though, because I need to be able to clone the repo and stuff. Alright, so I can't use this? Okay, hold on. $2487J KWKMO RPWY. Let's just say, wait, dude, it worked. I got a product key. It's interesting. Everybody Windows XP out? Oh, installing network. Here it goes. Shift F10 to get command set up and write. Oh. Try for our first option. You can just set up a shared folder. It's interesting. Within your main VM. Yeah, that's true. Huh. I actually didn't know you could do that. That's interesting. I feel like I don't really actually know why I'm doing this right now, but I am. I'm just doing it. Like, oh crap, dude. Kind of just for fun and curiosity. It's so like... The screen is so poopy. Auto size. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Windows is automatic. We got some Is this like Windows XP noise? It is. Oh, heck yeah, dude. I forgot about the old clicking noise. Oh, here it goes. Check my internet connectivity. Oh god, let's see how this goes real quick. Hold on. Oh, it's freaking. Let's skip this. Oh, Lord. Are you writing a Win32 program that works on Windows XP? Rock 211. No, not necessarily. However, it would be cool. Maybe that could be a future project idea. No. I don't think the Wi-Fi is working. Damn it. Hold on. Let me see if I can just connect the Wi-Fi. What a piece of poop. I don't think it has internet. It sucks, dude. Huh. Oh my god. Choose an ISP. Okay. I want to go thwomp mode because I know it can work. I just am fooling around with this for like 2 seconds and I just want it to work right now, but it's not gonna. Okay, darn. Yeah, the frickin' Windows XP startup music though was sick. Rock 2, what's going on? I should write something for Windows. That'd be freaking awesome. Like a Windows XP program. Okay, so that was just all prelim, really, because, yeah, address the consult the notebook. Let's see what we got going on. Honestly, I think the program itself is getting pretty close to just being kind of done. So, we'll see. So yesterday, update readme. Let's pull it up here. I should also test some stuff out on it, make sure it works in some other cases, but oh well. I need to get right now. Na 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 na. See what the README was updated with. Oh, I should add some usage examples. Maybe I can use the ASCII cinema for this. Okay. So yeah, updated that. Added special thanks out of that. Streak for looking at streaks. I still haven't done that. I'm not sure if I even will before just calling it complete. I can add it later. Add. Oh, flexible border width. Already did that. In my opinion, the best version of Windows is Windows 2000 Professional. Windows 2000 Professional. I liked Vista. I used Vista. Oh, I see. Yeah. As a kid, I used Vista quite a bit. I don't really think I ever used this. Oh yeah, this was... Oh, wait a minute. Was it Windows 7 that I remember more? No, honestly, I think it's the XP background. I think, yeah, this is what I was using. Yeah, I was definitely using Windows XP, yeah. This is like my first OS, probably. I mean, dude, that background photo is crazy. I saw the PC that runs XP on bare metal. That's cool. Then you had Windows 7. It's probably one of the last good Windows operating systems. I think they pretty much went downhill after Windows 10. I was scared to go for Windows 7. Is that Fallout? Someone's got Fallout on there? Yeah, Fallout. Fallout 2. Skyrim. Fallout New Vegas. Halo Master Chief Collection. What? Netscape. Dude, this person's desktop was rocking. Solaris. Longhorn? What is Longhorn rock to? Is this like an OS? I'm just gonna type in Longhorn and it's probably gonna be like... Oh, Windows? What? Windows Long... What is this? What? I'm kind of confused. What is this? I'd never heard of this. Windows Longhorn. Oops. Okay, I can't click on anything. Oh, hey, somebody's commenting. 10 months ago. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna do that. Alright, so let's see. Add flexible width, I did that. So, today is July 16th. Like I've said, I'm really thinking just see if there's any last minute bugs. Trying to build it a few times. And just kind of putting a V1 up. Because I want to move on to some other projects, to be honest. I still can't figure out how to add the MP4 to assets. So you should just be able to fork the repo. I mean, I think you already have a fork. So you can literally just add the... If you just add the file just into the folder. And then send that as a pull request. It should be able to just come right through. Okay, so to do one, some last minute bugs or whatever. UV1, because like I said, I'm really wanting to get back to the website, right? Like I was doing stuff on my website very consistently throughout the first half of this year. And you can see I haven't touched it in 2 months, but there's a lot of things I would like to do here. Like stretch this out. Yeah. Add some more stuff. Want to have a blog page because I do want to write some blog posts, and I think a good place to do it would be here. And a lot of these pages are straight up broken. Like this is broke. It's so bad. I never fixed it. It was supposed to be a lot nicer looking than this. But that's how it rests right now. Oh, challenges. I haven't been freaking going along with this. Like the 100-day study challenge was really cool. And I want to do something like that again. Does it show right now, like a pull request? What is it? Oh, goodness. Our dogs are. Hold on a second. Man, the more I think about it, the more I feel like it'd be cool to write like a little game for Windows XP. Oh, by the way, I have a crazy idea for your website. What's the crazy idea? What's the crazy idea? No, I do not see it here. I was going to use it for my portfolio, but I never care about my project that much. Found out that I hate JS, so I'd much rather learn WASM instead. Oh, JavaScript. I've never used JavaScript. I don't see it here. Oh, let's see. Is it showing now? Is it here? No, it's not in there. Alright, let's fool around and see if we can. Cause I'm getting kind of done with this one. Yes, JS sucks. I never used it like I said. But it seems like you could do some pretty cool stuff with it. I forgot I put that in there. This will be later. Yeah, I definitely have some ideas for this still, but I kind of want to get it over with. Oops. Move on. Well, it depends on your aesthetic, but your aesthetic and what you're going for. Oh, for the blog page, it'll probably be similar to. I mean, I could see now that you're. I've actually didn't think about it very much, to be honest. But now that you're mentioning it, I think I would. I think I would just use like the same sort of aesthetic as my YouTube channel. Like, you know, this kind of color. And the same like here, probably something like that would make it. Like, have you thought about how you were going to organize your pages, or maybe you want to use it as a portfolio, like future jobs, or maybe something else? Oh yeah, I'm not sure. I never really had plans to turn it into like a portfolio. I mean, you know, it might be a good idea though to put like a projects page on there, but it's just a personal. I've just always used it as a personal website, like, you know, just kind of what it is. It's very just. Oh my gosh, we got some error stuff here. Oh, wait. Oh, you posted them for 400 minutes, so you could just say. Message, and then probably. I guess, or. I can't remember if it'd be like main or your branch, but try that. Like. Either your branch or main, honestly, I can't remember. Yeah, Cleawar. Wait, Cleawar's got a new update for his WM. Oh, hey, did you add this logo? I feel like that logo is new. Maybe not. New demo? It's interesting. That looks nice. You got the fast fetch up. That's really funny. Cool, man. What is this? What is this? I think I did it. Can you check on your side? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, very, very good, Cleaver. Okay, it looks like it came in. Shooting star MP4 banner. One more. Oh yeah. What are they? Okay. Okay. Yep. It looks like it should be in there. Star. Hey, what the heck? I tried to remember. Does it not show the star there? No, okay. Comment. Merge. Confirm. Added files. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. You showed up. So let's see. I'm gonna pull. Wait a minute. What? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Come on, dude. I wonder if I can, I think that space in the file name is an issue. I mean, it'll be okay. I can just change it. You can just change it like, I'm trying to find like I wonder like can you put okay. I'm gonna do okay. Let's Let's try it. I wonder if it's the same. Yeah, dude, it worked. Oh, that looks sick. That looks so cool. Yeah. It looks sick. You know, I've never done a release on here. I wonder how this works. I don't know. Should I put like the version? We can put the Maybe we can do, maybe we can not be so bold with that. We can just say like 0.1, because there's definitely still stuff, you know? We can. That's exactly where it was. What? Wait a minute. Invalid input needs to. Oh. It's classic me forgetting these. Need to get started making the TUI. Hey, there's no rush. Man, this guy's name. Murazil Kostapanovic, 5818i. So far, we have a defined version 0.1.0. So true. Yeah, what's up, by the way? Hope you're doing good. Are you doing good is relative? Good is in fact relative. Well, I'm glad to hear that you're doing better than not doing. It's the only thing that separates the dead from the alive is doing. Upper header could also just say like version 2. Bro's confused which file are we in right now. So real. Let's see. It should be. Oh, I guess. Well, I guess that will. We should probably change that. Oh, that'll work. Okay, good. Hmm. What do you mean by that? Hmm. Man, I'm not sure how to do this. I don't think you can just do that. I'm not sure you can just do that. Oops. I've concocted the most disgusting to-do list, script in Perl I've known to humankind without knowing anything about Perl. It's kind of funny. Well, me and you are similar in that regard because I don't know anything about Perl either. This is kind of irritating, to be honest, because this is way more than I wanted it to be. I think this is not going to work. What do you mean? That worked. Yeah, I'm thinking about making this different, to be honest. Hmm. Damn it. Imagine every function loads a CSV farm from disk just to read a single line sometimes. People will go insane if they ever see my code. Dude, that's okay. Normal indentation followed by 3 closing curly brackets on the same column. By the way, E and DW key bindings make life so much easier. True. Unless it's Emacs or something. Oh, it's NeoVim. No, I feel that, dude. I think if somebody who is like a real C programmer looked at my code, they'd be like, this dude is brain dead. But it's whatever, dude. It's just about having fun. Unless you're getting paid to do it, then, you know, gotta do a bit more in that case. This is pissing me off. Hey, no one stops you having fun on company time. True. That's what it's all about. It's having fun. I pretend like actually doing anything. Yeah, so true. Fanta number 0 or Fanta number 2, please. Alright, so what the heck did I break? Writing automation helps me cope with the fact that I have to deal with email servers. That sounds kind of interesting, actually. Is it not cool or what? Sounds like it'd be kind of cool. The server that had 0 updates for the last 6 years won't have. Yo, do I play Minecraft Java Edition? I played Minecraft Java Edition, yeah, like when it first came out. But have I, like, recently? No. Minecraft is cool, though. Definitely played Minecraft a whole bunch. I just want to print the version, dude. That's like what I'm sitting here thinking about. Like, I don't know how to print this. Like, and have it look good. Wait a minute. I think I can do it, but I just need to. Oh, man. I just don't want to have all these crazy definitions in these places. I don't need them. Like, it would be easy to put it in here, yeah. Maybe I just freaking do it, to be honest. It's like, this is all this is. This whole thing is just this. That's it. And then, like, I just have to. Wait, can't do that. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. Huh? I want to get rid of that. Damn it. Huh. Total read 'em and weep moment. X won't be 3M. This should do italics. Then X wanna be 0. Reset. But this should be. Should that do italics? Huh. Well, that made that weird though. I don't know why that freaking happened. What's going on? Bro, for a stream, could you try playing it with the Verity mod? It's insane. What's the Verity mod? What is it? This? Some Slender Man things. I think. See, we're gonna use it. Is that thing supposed to run in Turmux? C is leagues better than Bash. Is only sin is portability. You think that Bash saves you time until you have to deal with its tokenization rules or whatever it's called in quotation marks? Best computer virus ever been made. Richard Stallman. I mean, the only stuff I've done in Bash, or I mean more accurately Z Shell, is just like pretty simple, just commands for myself, you know, just like some aliases and functions and stuff. I've never done like serious scripting. Usually, I put ASCII into variables to make things readable. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Like, for example, I have I was just kind of testing out the italics, but like for the colors, I have definitions for like the colors and stuff. So if the italics worked out. Oh, you can't see. Yeah, it's like I got definitions for at least like the colors and whatnot. I'm honestly scared to try it because it's an AI you need to keep paying attention to, otherwise it'll take revenge on you, and it's got an attitude. That sounds hilarious. Shell check will save you so much time with Bash. What is it like? Is like spell check for commands? I think Oh My Z Shell has that. Which is what I use. I have that. That mod looks pretty funny. Ew. Oh. Like, what the heck is this thing going on about? It's a static analyzer for Bash scripts. Whatever that means, dude. What the heck does that mean? I'll show you a static analyzer. Undertale ever. Oh, hold on, I'm about to bust a run of Poke-like. Wait a minute. Checks errors, yeah, oh, okay. Alright, do we believe this is going to be the run? This is going to get me to freaking Elite 4. We need... This is a Pokemon roguelike, by the way. Oh, let's do... I'm looking for... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So you start with your Pokemon. You should battle others. You get 2 levels for a trainer battle. You get 1 level for a wild grass. Oh yeah, Cynical evolved. Quilava. Pokecenter. Let's do Faulkner. Tried to post my Doyen on Unix porn and got rejected twice. Why? Yeah, why would he get rejected? That's dumb. Says me water and Advanced seconds. Freaking do it. Let's see if I can do this. Oh no! Well, that's not gonna get me anywhere. I don't think. Oh yeah, well, forgot you get healed after you beat your rival. Oh, I got a shiny Chinchou? Okay. Not unemployed enough. That's hilarious, dude. Like, why would that get denied? I think this was a cool project. That's why I'm not on Reddit or anything like that. Like, it's like, why? You know? Alright guys, so Typhlosion, and oh my gosh, all three of my Pokemon just evolved at once? Alright, let's do this Whitney gym battle. The aesthetics bar is too high. It says formatted correctly, but I looked at everything it said. Ow. I guess they're just being picky. Okay, here, let's grab one. Here, let's see my friggin' screen. I gotta zoom in. Come on, dude. Onyx sucks. If you're following H3 drama, you know that Reddit moderators are literally unemployed. I don't really know who H3 is. I feel like I do know who that is if I saw their face, but yeah, Reddit moderators are, they could be definitely something, that's for sure. Can't blame him. Look at the economy. Black Horizon, are you a Reddit moderator? Spoken like a true Reddit mod. This could be the run. Rival Silver, holy crap. What's he got? He's got a bunch of the Magneton, Haunter. Oh, I'm washing him. Like, they found who they are and what they do in the court case. Holy crap. Reddit mods exposed? Doxed? Oh, tier 1. Oh, that's going to be really bad for me later. Where am I getting emails from? Oh, yeah. So, as some of you know, I broke my phone yesterday, and now I have a brand new phone. I literally got it 24 hours later, so it's pretty crazy. Never on Reddit. Too toxic even post a question. Yeah, Reddit is extremely toxic. I used to be on there in like certain communities, you know, like I'd be in, let's see if I can remember. I was in the Dark Souls subreddit for a while because I like Dark Souls and that was cool just to see people playing the game. I was in the Arch Linux subreddit, but that was pretty insufferable, to be honest. Those people were pretty annoying. Neovim subreddit is really bad too. Learn programming subreddit is kind of, you know, I mean, there's nothing really engaging there. So yeah, not really a whole bunch of subreddits that I was like just loving to be in. Bro, drop your insurance provider under 24 hours is better than Apple Care. It's just like from Verizon. Like Verizon has this company, I guess, that they do. They have cover the phones. I don't know. Android, no, yeah, I have iPhone 17. Oh, did I die? Okay, well, I died. Didn't even realize that I had died. That's how much that game means to me. You. To be honest, I thought about going... Dude, I mean... Yeah, this is a discussion. because I get it, but like when you're talking about a mobile phone, what are the freaking options, dude? Oh yeah, do I want a Samsung phone? Do I want an Apple phone? Do I want a Google phone? Like, none of these options are that great, you know? But what are you gonna do? Like, I use MacBook, I use Apple, I have a MacBook, and like the ecosystem is nice. So at least having an iPhone can make my life a little bit better in some ways. Post-market OS. What the heck is this? Is this even real? That sounds like a troll. That sounds troll. Alpine Linux. I think it's like pretty... doesn't work well. I mean, you know what I mean? Is this real? Real Linux distribution for phones. What? It's interesting. Wait a minute. So what device? Like what phone is it on? What phone is it? Hold on, I gotta go pee real quick. A random used non-Chinese phone for normies and Linux phone for everything else. A random used non-Chinese phone. That's a really funny way to say it. There's a community list of support devices. Is it private secure? Because Linux is not currently too well. According to some comparisons, it's not as secure as Graphene, but since Linux... Bro, Android is Linux. Yes, I understand that Android is Linux. I want a Linux smartwatch that works with my phone. It'd be cool. Smartwatches are useless as far as I'm concerned. I have a Apple Watch, and it's very nice for workouts. But other than that, yeah, I would agree they're pretty useless. But like, having the watch on, for example, if I'm going to go run, or if I'm just taking like a long walk or something, it is cool to see how far you've gone exactly. But anyway, I've never seen this. Fair warning, not all hardware on your phone will work with... Yeah, I'm sure, dude. That's the thing. See what I'm saying? It's kind of the thing. Let's see, though. Knowledge. Got the podcast? Got t-shirts. There's nobody in the whole world is gonna understand what this t-shirt is. Yeah, buy a t-shirt like what is that? I have to explain it every single time. Yeah, dude, it's a t-shirt of my phone. My phone OS. It's Linux, dude, by the way. Where's the... Alright, on that note, gotta go to the gym. Alright, Black Horizon, nice to see you. Have a good time at the gym. Have a good evening. Or night, whatever. Let's see. But it works well enough that you can use a lot of stuff. There's track browser for browsing. Yeah, see you later, Black Horizon. Hope you have a good evening. I can't find the frickin' list of supported devices here. Whatever. Oh, based on... Okay. That's pretty cool, though. It's just like looking up, dude. True. I was just hoping it would be right in front of me, okay? See you later, Clearwater. Have a good night. Got the Pine phone? Oh, that's interesting. Galaxy S9. You know, honestly, I kind of was wanting like a Nokia phone. Just like, you know, as a fun phone. Freaking, that's so cool, dude. Just rice up the phone with post-market OS. Yo, convertible laptops. Okay. I'm just gonna put a release on here. Never done this before, so we're gonna see how this works on GitHub. I literally have no idea. This will be my first time ever doing it. Oh, wait, I thought I fixed that. No, I guess not. The Bluetooth keyboards have easier on my joints than a standard laptop. Yeah, I hate standard laptops. Like, just using them as literally if you're just out and about. Okay. Oh man. Go again. Could finally be done with the initial freaking part of this. I figure out how to do this. I've never done it before. I love laptops, but dragging them everywhere is my favorite thing. Yeah, I agree. They are, I mean, they're super cool, right? Like, they're awesome to have, but... What is this tag? Okay. V. Oops. V is 0.1.0. Okay. Release title. Usable. No. 0. Is the first usable release of the program. All core functionalities are present. It prints stuff real. Okay. No. I don't know. Pre-release? Maybe I don't really care. Touch binaries. Why would I do that? I can just build it. Oh, what is this? Well, it took me nowhere. The bigger your system grows and the more packages you integrate into your software, the more likely you are to find yourself one day in this pit of despair. It's kind of funny. GitHub server on this side. Yeah, it was. When you're creating a new release, I guess it has a little thing on the side about semantic versioning. That's pretty interesting. Okay. Usable. I love that. That is so funny. Release is usable. Wait, I should put the version number there. Would you bump the first number if you literally only your output? What? Would you bump the first number if you literally only your output? I'm not sure what you mean. Oh yeah, I guess I should do that later. Would you bump the first number if you literally change only your output? I'm not sure. This is interesting. Publish a package. Okay. How about, what the heck? I thought I had that. Enter a valid URL. Okay. Well, like I said, I have other ideas for things I wanted to do soon. But what? I think this was done over like 21 streams, like way more than I thought it was, and it's still pretty dang basic. So, but it was a lot of fun to do this actually, and I'm happy to have done this from start to finish. So yeah, it was pretty cool. Yeah, so like I said, I think next thing I'll do is I might make like an actual video about this, just as a video pretty much based on what I learned, you know, programming in C for X amount of hours or whatever. Not necessarily about the project itself, but I think it'd be cool to kind of make a reflective video about what I learned about C doing this. And yeah, as far as like for future projects, like I said, I want to add like a blog page onto my personal website and get it up and automated as far as like with email updates and stuff. I think it'd be cool to have an actual functioning blog because that's something I really want to do. So say print string instead of string. Would that be what? I think it would be, you know, honestly, that's a good question because I actually think now, I mean, technically this should be stable. So, like, I'm starting to think that I should just say 1.0 because I was just starting to think, yeah, because it's like, it's usable now and it should be stable. There's just not as many features as I would like. So, but that's... But I don't think there's any, like, crazy bugs. I know it's not compatible with Windows or anything, but... I mean, whatever. I'll just change this. I'll just say first stable release. Stable release. Because I literally already said usable. I should just say stable. I mean, it should be stable. Ongoing functionalities are present. In the future, I would like to add some additional features. Features and improve the UI. That's good. Person containing all core functionalities. What is it? First, I think it changes is because it says API changes, the number goes up. It's not a ratchet of the script, you don't surprise them. Yeah, true. Spoken from a bash guy. Email guy. Hey, you work with email servers, so I wonder how. I've never had like email being set up for a program. I wonder how hard that is. Just what it takes. I don't know. Do 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 do. Da, 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 da. Okay. Well, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. I will be back soon. Like I said, well, I don't know, because I think I'm going to make a video about this experience, but I do have some other things that I want to do soon, so yeah, we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good night, and, well, have a good weekend, so I'll see you guys later. Peace. You say besides public IP and domain, that can be random letters, by the way. You will have to set up stuff like DKIM, DMARC, DNS records so your emails are ignored by the relays. Oh, okay. So that seems a little bit complicated. Okay. Well, that's something I'm wanting to do. So anyway, yeah, thank you. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.